To operationalize a journey map, you want to see some live data in your map. So I want to connect it to my Excel 365, where I have a simple spreadsheet with a few example metrics that I want to pull into my journey map now. So what we're doing is we go back to the overview, click on account settings, go into integrations and pick Office 365. Click on setup. You can choose between two different ways how to manage the integration. We're going to use the simple one by just signing in to my Microsoft account, give consent, and there we are. It's connected successfully. Now we can go back to our journey map, go to the workspace, journey maps, click on the map you already created and add a new lane. So in between the different lanes, if you hover to the left, you can add more lanes and scroll down, pick the metric lane. It already included one metric card. If you click on it, there are three example metrics. Ignore them and rather add a new metric. So I pull in website visits, create. Now, as a source, we choose Excel, and as a type, it's a serious data. Now I can choose the spreadsheet. All you need to do is go to your Excel 365 spreadsheet, copy the URL, paste it in, select, and it's there. We could change the sheets. I just have one here. So label is date, values is website visits. Show me a preview. All right, that's already the right data there. That's great. I pick a line chart. We can now tailor it and add like a subheading to it. Maybe we do that in thousands. All right. And there we are. So we have it there. Okay, good enough for now. Click on save. And bam, there it is. Now we can add another one. Like, we signed up and we do it there. Add another one and maybe we call this one signups. There we go. Create. Again, same thing. Source. I use Excel. It's a serious data. I select the same file. Again, date, and this time we use account signups. Show me, there we are, brilliant, all we need, and save. There we go. So this indicates that it's a live connection. Like that, we could now easily add more. I want to add a third one, and that is maybe at the end of it, and I call it retention. Create, same thing. I select the very same source and it's this file. Again, date. This time it's retention. Let's see it. And there we go. All right, retention is in percent. I want to see the last value on top. Maybe on the right-hand side. Okay, that's looking good. Save. So within 4 minutes, I added 3 live data views. We're updating that continuously, at least every hour. So you see then always live data in your journey map.